Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro gets too hot. So it's completely normal for your laptop to get hot, but not to overheat too much. So go into the bottom right panel and click battery. Now power mode, change it to best power efficiency. Screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. These timers get to 5 minutes or even less. Then energy saver. Enable the option to always use energy saver. Next thing is to make sure that your laptop stands on surface with high airflow, so not like a wooden desk like mine, but I don't have anything other right now. And keep it in a ventilated area, ventilated room, something like that. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.